Yes, this video has not been planned today. I mean, I look like a mess in my opinion, but I went to O2 today, which is a phone networking company, to get a new phone, and I basically fell in love with the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. I think it's pronounced Huawei. It's H-U-A-W-E-I. The guy in the store was pronouncing it as Hawaii, so I was really confused. But anyway, this came out in the UK on October 27th this year, 2018. And I'm doing an unboxing for you guys. Like, look at that. So I'm basically going to unbox this on camera instead of unboxing it in my room without the camera on or anything. Even though I look like a mess, I don't care. I've basically recently got a Christmas temp job at HMV, and I work there a lot, and on my days off I'm always super busy doing other things and other commitments and things. So today's my day off and I managed to bag myself some time. So I'm making a YouTube video now. So if I can get the box open. I am super excited. Oh my goodness, look at it. Wow, so I went for the colour Twilight, which is like a blue / purple. It's like bluey, purpley black. And I haven't seen it until now, and it is absolutely stunning. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I know you can see the glare of my camera, but oh my goodness, look at that. Wow. Wow, look, and it's got 3 cameras, and the 3 cameras are used for shooting in low light for one of them, and I have yet to discover more about this phone because I haven't even switched it on yet, and I'm so blown away. I'm like, oh wow. Let's see what's in the box anyway. It's a key to get to the SIM card, so that's helpful. I expected it to have one of those anyway. Instruction manual, I'm guessing that's what it is. And then the charger. So let me show you the charger. Pretty standard for an Android charger. So I'm going to unwrap this part. I'll do everything individually, because I really want to savour this moment, because wow, I'm going to have this phone for a long time. Oh yes, so it does flip up. So there we go, so it goes to here, and then it's meant to snap back down like that. Yep, got it. It's good. And of course you can separately purchase a wireless charging dock, but at the moment I'm just going to stick with this. And it comes with the cable. It's different cable, so that means that I'm going to need to buy a new portable charger. Okay then. And the inside of the USB is purple. How cool is that? Just makes it look a bit nicer, doesn't it? Can you see in the middle? Probably can't. Oh. Let's just get this part on its own. You see? And then the inside is purple. This camera might not be picking it up. There we go. So that is super cool. I mean, okay, one thing which I forgot about when I was in the store looking at this phone is, oh, it doesn't come with a headphone jack, so it comes with an adapter. And that is something that I completely forgot to look out for when I was buying a new phone. But luckily, I have a pair of Apple AirPods, so it won't matter too much. But when I use my Bose noise cancelling headphones, I'll have to take this with me and remember to take it with me. But because this phone is so new, like it's only just been released, I can't get many cases for it yet. And I can't really, I don't even know if I can get portable chargers yet. I'm yet to find out because I literally bought this phone, what, 30 minutes ago to an hour? And it comes with what looks like the buds of the Apple earphones, but obviously they're Huawei ones instead. The camera wasn't picking up the two together, so I'll just do individual. But yeah, this is how the earbuds look. And they've got volume control. And again, the cables, like the end of the cable is different as well, so I'll just show you that. So that's the end of the cable. Looks pretty good. But yeah, my dad was telling me that there were some YouTubers or someone that flew all the way from Dubai to buy this phone from England and bring it back again, which is incredible. Okay, so the paperwork inside is a quick start guide and a warranty card. That's all that is. The person in the O2 store that sold me the phone said that it came with a clear case, and it doesn't. So until I find a case that I like and I'm happy with, I don't feel comfortable using this phone just yet, because I had my Samsung Galaxy S7 for a week whilst waiting for the case to arrive, and I dropped it and smashed the back. And I can't have that with this phone because I've just taken the plastic off the back of the phone, and wow, it's, oh, I'm tearing up just looking at it. And I never tear up when I get new technology, but this is stunningly beautiful. Look at that. I know I've already shown you, but I've got to show you again without the protective casing on, because that is beautiful. And then this is the front. And then this is the front. Bit blurry, I think. Yeah, the camera wasn't picking that up well, but wow. Let's switch this on. Let's get this going, because I am so excited. I mean, it's gonna be like, it's gonna take me a while to get used to the fact that there's no back button or any button at all on the phone. Oh, look. Wow, let's just tap it with this finger. I am super excited. I mean, at the moment, it's just saying Huawei on the screen, and I'm tapping it lots of times, and nothing's happening. So I'm just like, you gonna come on now, or what? Or what? Oh, I really... But to be honest, do I want to cover the back of the phone when it's this beautiful? Like, I think I might just buy a clear case for it because it's absolutely stunning. Okay, here we go. So it just says welcome. Oh, let me just show you the screen. So it just says welcome and then all the countries. Look at that display. Absolutely incredible. Insert SIM card. Now I got a puck code or a pack code, whichever one, to basically keep the number I've got. But it doesn't get activated for, can't remember how long, so there's that. And guess what I got with this phone? I got 6 months free Netflix subscription, so I'll just add that onto my Netflix and won't have to pay for 6 months. And I got a Huawei tablet worth £120 for free. And within 30 days I go onto a website and I go and claim it and fill a claim form and they send it to me and I'm like, oh my god. Incredible. And I've been wanting to go on O2 for so long because you get O2 priority tickets and I go to a lot, and I mean a lot, of concerts. So like, that's why I've been wanting it for so long and oh, I'm so happy. This is from my parents for basically my birthday, which is coming up on December 7th. So, just letting you know I'm not spoilt. I'm very lucky, but I'm not just getting it for the sake of it. Like, just because, you know. Okay, so the SIM card's in. So I'm going to press, oh, no back. I'm going to press next. Yeah, okay, so I've put the SIM card in. It should respond. When I open the little drawer thing to put the SIM card in, one side is for the SIM and the other side is for NM, whatever that means. Does that mean that you can put a memory card in too? Because if so, then wow. And that's good now. So skip. Data import. I need to do this. Android device. Agree. Allow phone clone to access your contacts. Allow. Calendar, yes. Phone call logs, yes. So it's saying allow to access. This is so exciting. Install phone clone on the old phone. Please, just thank you. It's downloading now, so that's phone clone on my old phone. My Samsung Galaxy S7. So I've successfully installed phone clone. I'm going agree. This is the old phone. Yes, yes. I'm just saying allow phone clone to access all the things on my phone. Yes. Scan the QR code. Connecting to new phone. And it's wireless. You don't need wires. Like, wow. Oh. Incredible. Okay, so I'm just doing the phone clone. And it's incredible. Look. Like, wow. I'm just waiting for it, basically. Wow. Wow. Gosh, it puts my Samsung Galaxy S7 to shame, doesn't it? But anyway, there is no point in me dragging this video out any further. Like, I've unboxed it and all that good stuff. I can't really comment on the phone any further because I've just got it. But I'm sure I can make more videos updating you on the usage and how I've been finding it in daily life and all those things. And I'll see you in another video. If you're new here, go and smash that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. Like the video and stick around for some more content. Yeah. Yes, sis.